Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WooCommerce REST API keys safely, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize WooCommerce REST API keys safely, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings from the dashboard menu. Click on the Advanced tab to access additional settings. Select REST API from the options provided. Click on the Add Key button to create a new API key. Fill in the description field with a meaningful name for your key. Select a user from the drop-down menu that will own this API key. Choose the appropriate permissions for the key, which can be read, write, or read/write. After configuring the settings, click on the Generate API Key button. You will now see your new key along with the consumer key and consumer secret. Copy both the consumer key and consumer secret for use in your application or integration. Ensure you store these keys securely, avoiding exposure in public repositories or unprotected environments. To restrict access further, you can implement IP whitelisting. This can be done via server settings or through security plugins available for WordPress. Once your API keys are set and stored securely, test the connection using a tool like Postman. Make a request to your WooCommerce REST API endpoint using the generated keys. Monitor the response to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter issues, double-check your permissions and key configurations. Regularly review your API keys and rotate them periodically for enhanced security. Ensure that your WooCommerce installation and WordPress are kept up to date to mitigate vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can safely authorize WooCommerce REST API keys for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.